money supersized. G5 super fly, should be supervised.
Welcome to Carter's Eat. We do more than eat. We got show reviews, music reviews, vlogs, eat with me, cook with me. I don't have a voice because I did a mukbang. A mukbang, 3 Happy Meals in 10 minutes. The fries tore my esophagus up. Acid reflux. I've been down for 5 days. If you've ever swallowed 12 razor blades, that's what my throat feels like. And I can't give my best energy because I also do have a cold. So I haven't been able to go live. Here at Carter's Eats, we go live 11 to 1 every day. But since I can't go live, I thought I'd do what I told my girlfriend I'd do. Simply K. Simone and Beauty by T. Beat Your Face Challenge. So while I'm sitting here, sick, bored, nothing to do, I've caught up on all my reality shows. But I thought we'd also get into this challenge. This challenge. I'm so excited about it. And I love doing makeup. And try it, buy it, bake it, sell it. Get by her channel. Get by her channel. Get by her channel. She believes in my makeup routine. She's like, Lisa, you can do it so quickly. So I said, this is my first step into beauty world, and we'll do our best. Forgive my nails. They look horrible, so don't judge me while I'm applying. There's no lipstick on right now, so I look like damn it. Again, this is Beauty by T and K. Simone. I call her K. Simply K. Simone's Beat Your Face in 2 minutes. I've got our makeup bags on deck. Check, check, check. If time permits, I'm going to throw these lashes on as well. I know I can get it done. I just hope I have my goodies in here. Because if I don't have my foundation, that might be the only thing that's going to hold me up. My face, it does look really good. So I'm just peeking around to see. Get it on, as Chris Brown says, and poppin'. Y'all, happy holidays, happy end of 2019. Let's get ready for 2020. Again, if you don't know, Simply K. Simone, get to her channel. Get there. Check out Beauty by T. I hope it's Beauty by T. By D? By T? We'll see. Ha! Still rhyming. I'm your host, Lisa, and we're going to start this challenge as soon as I turn my timer on. Hey, you guys, I remembered my timer. Y'all know I'm good for forgetting the timer. Check, check, check. It'll be right here at my feet. I'm going to have to push start with my toe as to not lose el momento. And we're going to get it. Let me get my brush out. I don't do what Treasure Sitting Pretty does. Nobody can do what Treasure does. But I'm going to give you my best me in 2 minutes. Ready, set, you. Hold on, see, it's not moving. Hold on. Now. What I am going to talk about is my reality show, Housewives of Atlanta. And I'm going to say like this. Portia, do what you got to do. One thing I just want to talk about is moving. And we'll pick that topic up after I get all this on.
What that is?
I switched the brush from fluff in and out.
Not called for.
Well, I've been watching Treasure sitting pretty for a while. Y'all get me down. Sis can do makeup like no other. Y'all hear me?
You can get it.
Yeah. She makes sure she blends that sucker. I got 1 minute. Hot fish and grits. I found a clue. My girlfriend, 42 seconds. All our art people. put the APB out on Westport. She was like, Lisa, why don't you just use my cleaning lady? And she was like, 3 other people use her in the neighborhood. I said, okay. So I sent her a text. And she said, tell me the address. And I told her. And she said, I saw her little mini car. She had a little mini car. Not a Mini Cooper. Sugar bits. And she wrote me back and said 150. I said, thank you. Just tell me your start date. So I said monthly. 2 seconds. Why ain't my pencil working, yo? Alright, 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Alright. I hear you down there. I hear you. Hold, please. I hear. What is that? It's like a... I gotta turn that thing off. Hold, please. Thank you. Okay, we got the eyes done in 2 minutes. Lipstick on. Okay, K-Dot, it was harder than it looked. Okay, K-Dot, it was harder than it looked. It was harder than it looked. It was harder than it looked. I want a do-over. That lipstick doesn't move. See that? This is what I wanted to say. Ooh. Boom pow. As NENE works on improving her work-life balance, her attitude, her rage issues, going off on others, I get that. Where I found a moment to clutch my pearls was when the life coach walked in. I don't know if you've seen it, but the life coach looked like somebody that I would meet at the club. Beautiful sister. And this is when you say, well, maybe we need to seek the life coach, perhaps. And she was a smart chick. When she started talking, it didn't match up with what she had on. But it made me say the life coach could have sought a stylist consultant so that her attire matched her position. If I'm in a position where I'm coming to you to give you worldly, life-changing, spiritual, responsible advice to lead you to being and becoming a better person, I don't want you to come with your cleavage to almost, I don't want to see that if I'm taking the advice from you. I want to see you. And that's just me. This isn't everybody. This isn't everybody. This is me. The tattoo on the ankle was flagrant. The skirt was above or mid-thigh. The weave, we won't judge her on the weave because she probably one of her people said that this looks good, and the part was horrible. The weave was horrible, and it was way too long for me again to take any type of advice from you if you're my life coach. And I know y'all can come for me in the comments. This was my immediate response. A velour outfit. I know velour's in 2019 for the fall. I get that. Again, you're not going to be my life coach, cleavage tattoo, glammed up when it was more of a cookout attire versus professional, let me encourage you and help you get your life together attire. And that's when we have to say as women, what you wear does dictate or set the tone for the situation. Dress for the occasion. She was not dressed for the occasion. NENE was dressed for the occasion, and I'm not a NENE fan, but NENE was dressed for the occasion. I'm sure in mature NENE's mind, she said, what this girl got on, and why she come to my house looking like she's trying to turn Greg on? And I'm in a sundress with tennis shoes. Beautiful blue sundress with tennis shoes. And I get excited when they know they're going to be on Housewives of Atlanta. We get that. How to ever. That is when you seek team players and say, does this speak to my job? And it didn't. And that pissed me off. I was just like, I just want to talk to YouTube about that and say, y'all ladies, make sure you don't overdo it. Just because somebody tells you you're going to be on B-Love show or Una Poco Loco show, or you're going to be at More Eats, or you're going to be featured on Missing Tooth Mukbanger, you don't have to go above and beyond. Only if you're doing Simply K Dot's challenge do you need to like really, really, really come with it and put it all together in 2 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Uh-oh. You know, keep it popping. Keep it popping. Again, if you guys don't know Treasure Sitting Pretty, get to her channel because sis can throw on these lashes, and she uses hair bonding glue. And see, this is not gonna say. That's when I say I need treasure. I need treasure. And see, I know I can't go out like that. You're not allowed to come to the barbecue or be somebody's life coach if you can't get your lash to stay on. Just that simple. It's probably going to pop up in a minute. Portia, do what you need to do. Married to Medicine, y'all know I started my year reviewing Married to Medicine and Greenleaf. And this one's so raggedy, I can't even get it on. And lashes falling apart. Heavenly is just precious to me. Raunchy and precious. Simone and her husband have come a long way. I'm so proud of them. And Tessa and her husband, she's decided to go back to school. Kudos for her. And then my favorite couple, of course, is probably Jackie. She's special. It's not. It's Buffy and Toya. I love Toya and Eugene. She wears her fluffiness well. She's not overweight, but the lady's clowning like she is. And I just say, you know, sister, if you got it, flaunt it, and you look fantabuloso. Green Organic's daughter Shannon has this lipstick. It is to die for. Wait till you see it. So I'm very proud of Toya for getting the dream house, getting her dream massage, and beautiful sister, and understand. Some occasions, sometimes she gets her outfits wrong too. But if you guys would go check out Housewives of Atlanta, get to the scene where NENE meets with her life coach, and let me know your thoughts. That is the beat face with a fever in 3 minutes. Is the lash? Where's the lash? It's way up there. It's okay. And we probably put some champagne on through the bridge, but that right there is frustrating me. Simply K Dot, I might do a do-over. I get a do-over. But I got it on. 2 minutes. Thank you for letting me get those off my chest. Thank you for letting me apply my makeup in front of you to see how I quickly get it done, especially being a busy mom with a 4-year-old and a 7-year-old. You want to just put the eyebrows on. You want to put that lipstick on. You want to get those eyebrows on as fast as possible. Eyeshadow, eyebrows, lipstick, quick as possible. We lost time by taking off the lid to the beet powder. Other than that, thank you for coming to Carter's Eat. I hope you guys are enjoying my journey as much as I am. I appreciate all the love and growth we're having together. I will be back and well soon enough. Hopefully this week. As I do this video, I'm sitting here perspiring, and I know I'm going to have to lay down after this because I won't call it the flu. I won't. But I know that I'm sick. But my mom introduced me to a remedy for the acid reflux. This old gentleman she met at the grocery store said vinegar with 6 jalapeno peppers dropped in the vinegar, soaking for 3 days, and then take little sips throughout the day. I have had 2 sips so far, and it's 12:30 in the afternoon. I can almost swallow, but I'm definitely feeling better. If you don't have acid reflux and don't know what it is, and I've never experienced it because I've never been 49 before. I've never had acid reflux before. Again, it's like swallowing 12 razors, and the pressure from this being clogged is clogging my ears in addition to the cold that me and Blake have, which is a cough. So I can deal with the cold. It's the swallowing. And I can't give you my best me in a live if I'm not my best self. Thank you for coming to this challenge video by Simply K.Simone and Beauty with T. Get there, get there, get there, get there. Thumbs it up. Comment, commit, and stick. Comment, commit, and stick. Comment, commit, and stick. Here on Carter's Eat. And I'll see you guys in these YouTube streets. Now, look at the clouds, look at the roses. Be sure to check out my song review videos. Support each other the right way. And get there, get there, get there, get there, get there. Yeah. Did I say look at the clouds, look at the roses? If God can do it for them, they can do it for you. Praise ye the Lord. I love you guys tremendously. Thank you for a very, very great year. Let's get Carter's Eats to 4K, big baby.
Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky, keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind, spit flow, paparazzi, flash shine, get dough, champagne, murder.